So good morning guys. So after a long time again with a vlog and this is Shyam from Rediscover the Northeast और हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं एक सरप्राइज़ के लिए। सरप्राइज़ क्या है मैं आपको पहुंच के देता हूं। सो बेसिकली हम लेने जा रहे हैं एक नए गाड़ी की डिलीवरी और जस्ट मैं घर से निकल रहा हूँ जिम्नी लेके। एंड इन दिनों पिछले ऑलमोस्ट 10 दिन से गुवाहाटी में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी चल रही है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। और आज भी जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि धूप बहुत ही ज़्यादा तेज़ है। एंड सो जस्ट घर से निकल रहे हैं। सो मेरी जिम्नी जो है अभी तक अराउंड 4000 किलोमीटर्स चल चुकी है एंड इसका जो सेकेंड सर्विस है वो 4000 किलोमीटर्स 5000 में है, सॉरी 5000 किलोमीटर्स में। एंड इन दिस सेकेंड सर्विस आई विल गो फॉर अ ऑयल चेंज। वैसे तो मारुति का जो रेकमेंडेड है वो है 10,000 किलोमीटर्स में ऑयल चेंज, बट ये जैसे आप देख पा रहे हैं so it's 3674 kilometers, but I'll go for oil change because breaking in almost मैं कर चुका हूँ और तब तक जो है so 5000 किलोमीटर्स तक मोटा मोटी ब्रेक इन हो जाता है किसी भी नए गाड़ी का, ब्रांड न्यू गाड़ी का। एंड फिर ऑयल चेंज कर लेना अच्छा होता है, यू नो। सो दैट्स द रीज़न दैट आई विल गो फॉर अ ऑयल चेंज। सो खैर, सो कमिंग बैक टू द डिलीवरी। सो बेसिकली दैट्स ये मैंने आपको बता दिया कि वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ कौन सा गाड़ी है उसको थोड़ा टाइम के लिए सस्पेंस रखते हैं और शोरूम में पहुंच के आपसे मिल रहा हूँ मैं, ओके। So guys, so yes, so as I already told that it was a surprise regarding the कि कौन सी गाड़ी आज हम डिलीवरी ले रहे हैं। So yes, this is the Jimny Alpha Automatic and it is being taken delivery by my sister and brother-in-law Adish. So guys, so breaking the surprise with you, yes, we are in Nexa, Pallavi in Guwahati, and we are taking delivery of a brand new Jimny Alpha Automatic. So ये जो गाड़ी है, this is being bought by my sister and brother-in-law Adish. So Adish, hearty congratulations.
Thank you
from my side.
Thank you.
For the delivery of your Jimny Alpha Automatic. So
Thank you.
hope that we do a lot of drives together with both the Jimneys.
Sure.
Because now there are 2 Jimneys in the family. So एक हमने अभी 2 महीने पहले लिया अल्फा मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन जो सड़क के उस तरफ खड़ी है। Yes, that's my Jimny. And now we are taking delivery of this beautiful white Alpha Automatic Jimny. So just a walk over कि कौन सा accessories हमने लगा लिया है। So we have gone for this ORVM covers, then the claddings, front quarter panel cladding, then the rear quarter panel cladding ये क्या vanity लगा है। वैसे I think ये काम की चीज़ें हैं because if you are driving in the city, so these panels जो होते हैं front quarter panel and the rear quarter panel, इसमें स्क्रैचेस लगने के बहुत वो रहते हैं, चांसेस रहते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो द ORVMs वह जब आप एक पतली गली में जा रहे होते हैं, 2 गाड़ियाँ क्रॉस होते हैं या फिर कोई रिक्शा वाला हो, बाइक वाला हो, तो आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी गुड एक्सेसरी टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ORVM। सो मैकिंग अभी हम लोग गेट इट डन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड। सो द ऑटोमेटिक सो अच्छा हो गया अभी फैमिली में। सो 1 Jimny is manual and 1 is automatic. So since my sister will be driving it mostly and mostly the city commutes, so she has taken the ऑटोमेटिक एंड वाइट कलर अच्छी लग रही है। जो हमारी दूसरी जिमनी है दैट इज नेक्सा ब्लू। So talking about the Jimny, yes, good discounts are going on in the Jimny. So very right time to purchase 4x4, and in this price point, I'll just tell you the price for Guwahati. So Guwahati में हमें Alpha automatic this I think we got it for
13.5.
13.5. Yes. So 13.5 lakhs. So 13.5 lakh रुपए में you are getting a proper 5-door automatic 4x4. So I think that is a great deal. And if you would have gone for the manual would have come around below 13 lakhs. So I think it would have been around 12.8, 12.9 on road. So which would have been a very sweet deal. But I think around 13 लाख 13.5 लाख रुपए में आपको एक ऑफ रोडर मिल रहा है, जो कि मेरे हिसाब से इट्स अ एक्सेलेंट डील। एंड अभी मैं पिछले 2 महीने से आई एम यूजिंग द जिमनी एंड आई हैव ड्रिवन ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 4,000 kilometers, 3,647 kilometers to be precise, and it's a great vehicle. Let me tell you, I also use it as my daily runner in the city. We also have a espresso automatic wife car. So but when she is using the espresso, I use the Jimny in the city. It's very easy to park because of the compact size, and it's very good to drive in a city like Guwahati, which is full of traffic and everything, right? So this is the engine. So the car is being just prepped for delivery. So this engine, the 1.5 naturally aspirated engine, is quite good enough and quite enough for the Jimny. People are going for throttle controllers, and in fact one of my friend, he has also gone for stage 1 mapping for his Jimny by Ulf from Kerala. So uncle, congratulations on your daughter-in-law getting the Jimny.
Thank you.
So and in south I think we have also seen Jimnys jahan pe they have done turbo boosters and all that stuff. Yes, maybe for initial thing maybe we can go for a throttle controller. Throttle response काफ़ी अच्छा हो जाता है and low end torque actually improves a lot. So अभी तक मैंने अपने जिंदगी में I have not gone for the throttle controller. Maybe in the near future. अभी तक मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं लगा है throttle controller because I was already driving a naturally aspirated Nissan Kicks, and I have also done Spiti expedition of the Kicks. So मुझे throttle controller का अभी तक ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा है. I'm yet to take the Jimny to some extreme hills because अभी तक मैं गाड़ी का रनिंग इन कर रहा था. So मोटा मोटी गाड़ी का मेरा रनिंग इन हो चुका है. So I'll be, जैसे मैंने बोला था सुबह, so अभी सेकेंड सर्विस के लिए I'll be going and I'll be changing the engine oil and all that. उसके बाद I'm planning to go for I think in August only I'm planning a Nagaland trip, and उसके बाद फिर अरुणाचल वगैरह लेके जाएंगे. So उसके बाद देखते हैं. Then after those things I'll decide on the throttle controller and all that stuff. But naturally aspirated 1.5 में if you are going for a mapping, stage 1 mapping, उसमें इतना ज़्यादा आपको difference नहीं आएगा. Yes, if your vehicle is already a turbo vehicle, then फिर total if you are going for a mapping, then you get a difference of say 13 to 15%. But if you are going for a remapping, stage 1 mapping in a naturally aspirated 1.5 engine, so the difference that you will get is only 5 to 6%. So मेरे हिसाब से, I may be wrong, but it's my personal opinion. Say, in a 1.5, and especially in a naturally aspirated engine, remapping doesn't make a very great difference. Yes, you can go for a throttle controller for a better throttle response actually. And rest, I think Adish, you are not going for a tire change immediately, right?
Yes.
Abhi immediately you are not going for a tire change because थोड़ा चला लीजिए. I think 1 or 2 years, because mostly now the vehicle will be having city runs. So I think these tires are good enough. मैंने अपना tires upgrade कर लिया था to cross contact continentals because मेरा highways and city hills का बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, right? So वही है. So I think so we'll just come back with the formal delivery process in a short while. Na? 4. So congratulations. So I think the Indian automobile segment is, I think, matlab, it's like we are quite lucky being auto enthusiasts that the Jimny, Maruti has bought the Jimny to India, and in this price range, a proper 4x4 off-roader under 14 lakhs. With the current schemes and discounts that Maruti is providing, I think it's a great off-roader. In fact, recently two Jimnys are one of our car groups in Assam. So they had gone to Spiti in two Jimnys, one automatic and one manual, and they had a great experience with their Jimnys. So this is the second Jimny in the family, and it's a great car. In fact, I was forcing both my sister and Adesh to get the Jimny. So great. So cake to katilwa. Congratulations. Kya? कोणी करणे कोणी असे करणे ভাল ভালে মানে মই হেতুৱে I was saying that I think the automobile no that is the automobile fraternity মানে of India. I think it's we are really, I think it's a privilege for us that Maruti launched the Jimny in India, and in this price range, at this price range, I mean below 15 lakhs, and now it's just below 14 lakhs. So it's a great proper 5-door off-roader. So that's the reason that this is the second Jimny in the family. So abhi apne paas automatic or manual dono hai. So hoping that with both the Jimnys we do a lot of trips in the hills. And sure. Oh, finally the Jimny walks home from the showroom, and wishing Adesh and my sister a lot of happy miles with the new Jimny.